Welcome to the dynamic world of cloud messaging with GCP PubSub. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, seamless communication between services is crucial for building scalable and reliable applications. Let's dive into the exciting features and capabilities of GCP PubSub. GCP PubSub is a powerful, fully managed messaging service designed to enable real-time data ingestion and event distribution. PubSub operates on the publish-subscribe messaging model, where messages are sent by publishers to topics and delivered to subscribers. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Publishers, applications that send messages to a topic. These messages can include data from various sources, such as IoT devices, application logs, or user activity. Topics, named resources to which publishers send messages. Topics act as conduits for messages to flow from publishers to subscribers. Subscribers, applications that receive messages from a topic. Subscribers can pull messages from the topic or have them pushed by PubSub to an endpoint. This model ensures decoupled communication, allowing publishers and subscribers to operate independently and scale seamlessly. By the way, do you know that questions about GCP PubSub are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests, so you can boost your cloud skills. Check the links in the description. GCP PubSub is versatile and can be applied to a wide range of scenarios. Real-time analytics. Collect and process streaming data from various sources for real-time insights and decision-making. Event-driven microservices. Enable microservices to communicate and respond to events asynchronously, improving system responsiveness and scalability. Log aggregation. Aggregate logs from multiple applications and services for centralized monitoring and analysis. IoT data. Ingest and process data from IoT devices for real-time monitoring and control. Let's analyze the pluses and minuses of this service. So, pros are: scalability, automatically scales to handle large volumes of messages. Low latency, provides low latency messaging, suitable for real-time applications. Decoupling, enables loose coupling between services, enhancing flexibility and maintainability. Reliability ensures message delivery with at least once and exactly once delivery semantics. Speaking about cons, they are: complexity, requires understanding of messaging patterns and architecture. Cost, potentially higher costs with large volumes of messages and data. GCP PubSub offers two main types of services. Standard PubSub, designed for high throughput and low latency messaging, ideal for real-time data streaming and event-driven architectures. Light PubSub, a more cost-effective option for lower throughput use cases, suitable for applications with moderate messaging requirements. GCP PubSub integrates seamlessly with various Google Cloud services and external systems. Data flow, process and analyze streaming data in real time. BigQuery, perform real-time analytics on data ingested via PubSub. Cloud functions, trigger serverless functions in response to PubSub messages. Third-party applications, integrate with external systems using HTTP push endpoints or custom connectors. Security is a top priority with GCP PubSub. All messages are encrypted in transit and at rest using Google-managed encryption keys. For enhanced security, you can also use customer-managed encryption keys to encrypt your messages. GCP PubSub provides a dead letter queue feature to handle messages that cannot be processed successfully. This ensures that problematic messages are not lost and can be analyzed and retried later, improving the reliability of your messaging system. GCP PubSub pricing is based on usage, including the volume of data ingested, stored, and delivered. Key factors affecting pricing include data volume, charges based on the amount of data published and retrieved. Message storage, cost for storing messages that are awaiting delivery. Operations, charges for API operations, such as publishing and pulling messages. For detailed pricing information, it's recommended to use the GCP pricing calculator and review the PubSub pricing documentation. GCP PubSub is a powerful, fully managed messaging service that simplifies the process of real-time data ingestion and event distribution. With its scalable, reliable, and secure messaging capabilities, PubSub enables seamless communication between services and applications. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.